Hey guys, Justin Lobato here inside of Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase Pinnacle Onyx Trim Restorer. Now, nothing brings down a car's wow factor like dull faded trim. That's where the Pinnacle Onyx Trim Restorer comes into play, because this is a simple, easy on and off trim restore product that will give you 4 to 6 months worth of protection in one single application. And the best part about it is when you do the application, it's dry to the touch. It's super easy, a little goes a long way, but it does bring back the trim overall to its original glory, giving you 4 to 6 months of having the trim look good, especially on some of those older model or used vehicles. From the sun, from the elements, everything that beats up on that trim, this is the key to bringing it back and keeping it simple with an easy on and off application, which would be your Pinnacle Onyx Trim Restorer. For additional information on Pinnacle Onyx Trim Restorer, visit Autogeek.com.